Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a pattern, and I actually said in that video, so this is the pattern. Let me put another black box around it. And before I erased it and gone on, I said something about it looked like a bunch of squares. Well, I thought I'd show you, so this would be a little short video. We're going to take this same pattern, and hopefully it's grouped together. Tell you what, let's move this out of the way. That's how you do it. I'm going to hit P and P and put that in the center of the page. Because the yellow is a group, I can take my rectangle and go from that node to that node, and then select both of them, not the black, just the two. Well, I didn't get it all. I'll tell you what, let me make sure I get it all. You want to make sure you have two objects selected. One of them's a rectangle, one of them's the pattern. And go right here to intersect, and that's what you're going to get. Let's go ahead and leave this black here. Look at that pattern. And it's because it was a centerable item. And then make this, well, let's leave it at 10 inches. And let's keep our nudge factor to 10 and just nudge it over. I don't think it'll do you any good to mirror it because it'll be the same thing because it's like four-sided. And you could make that I mean, if you're going to do the work, and it didn't take much to do that. If you're going to do the work, look at that. And you could possibly change the color of each, Control D, and look at that pattern. I mean, it totally changes from this pattern. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.